What's up, automation engineers? In this video, we are going to talk about external libraries. So, NPM is popular for one thing, that's the world largest package library. So, there are so many libraries, you can use them with JavaScript, but can you use them with Cypress? Well, since we are running everything on the browser, the library should work on the browser. Some libraries are shipping binaries with them, so in that case, those stuff will not work. So make sure whatever the library you're using can be executed on the browser. So I'm going to pick one library from Node.js standard libraries. Let's get path library and let's use join API. So let's import path from path. Then let's use that path join root home, then to my home directory. I'm going to store that in a variable. Let's call that p. Then console log this out. Let's see. Okay, now in the execution we got the joined path. So we can use standard libraries if they are not using binaries and stuff. If they can be executed on the browser, we can use them. And I'm going to show you one more external library, something I created few months ago. So let's install this one first, then try to use it on the browser. I mean Cypress. Okay, let's first install that. Let's change npm to yarn because I don't think I have um, npm. I don't use it. Now it's installing packages, dependencies. Now let's see package.json. Okay, right now we got simple message router. Maybe you guys are into WebSugar programming, so if so, check this library out. I created this to manage shortcut events, message events, just like we do in, just like we do HTTP or stuff. I actually try to recreate what's Express.js router doing, even though it's a totally separate code. It totally different from the implementation point, but I tried to recreate same APIs. All right, now let's use this one. I'm going to comment this line out and import router from simple message router. Then let's get rid of these. Actually, let me comment these two lines. And okay, let's copy some stuff from the web page itself. Otherwise, first actually we need to create the object. So let's copy these two and paste them here. All right, now we need to dispatch a request, message request. So let's copy this to the code. Okay, looks good. Okay, it doesn't look good. I All right, you can see it printed middleware. So let me explain what's going on here. This library will allow you to manage your message events in a clean way. Otherwise, we'll have to. It will be a mess. I think you have seen WebSugar message callbacks and stuff. So basically, we are creating a router. We are creating a new object, and we are registering this middleware. I don't know if you have heard middleware, the word middleware. If you're familiar with Express router, you know that. So all the requests go through this one first before end up in the endpoint. So when you dispatch a request, it's going to execute this one. So we got the middleware console logout. As you can see, we can use external libraries, but we are limited to libraries that runs on the browser. Let me show you a something that doesn't work. Let's install. What is that? express.js, npm express. Alrighty, again we have to change it to yarn add express. Hopefully this will not take forever. Cool, we're done. Now let's import, hang on, I don't remember anything. Yeah, let's do this simply. You can see it's going to start up a server. So wait, where's there? um they're using the old style, so whatever, I don't care. Cool. Now what we should do is um get the app, set it like this, and start the server, right? Since this is running on the browser, this is not going to work. Let's see. As you can see, we can use some libraries with Cypress. This is an example. So this is it for this video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.